Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class.
Children, before doing the exercise, please go through the chapter once again. You have to read this chapter once again. This is very important. Okay? Starting with the chapter. And please go through the word meanings as well. Okay? Open page 50. Exercise 1. Make questions for these answers. So, we have to make questions from the answers. Okay? Begin the question with the word in brackets. So, we have to make question using the words in the brackets. Okay? First, the king lived in a palace near a river. So, now we will make question using the word where. Take out your notebook, write today's date 22/01/21. Write the heading Chapter 9 Exercises. Where did the king live? Put question mark. Okay? Since this is a question, so don't forget to put question mark. Next. He was sad because his people were very lazy. Okay? So, again we will make question using the word why. Why was the king sad? Why was the king sad? Put question mark. Next. He saw stones and rubbish on the road every time he went out in his coach. So, again we will make question using the word when. When the king went out in his coach, what did he see? Put question mark. Next. He wanted to teach them a lesson. Here he refers for the king. The king wanted to teach them a lesson. We will make question using the word what. Okay? What did the king want to do? What did the king want to do? Put question mark. Next. E. He put a bag of gold in a pit in the middle of the road. Where? Where is the word? Using that, we have to make a question for the answer. Okay? Where did the king put the bag of gold? Where did the king put the bag of gold? Put question mark. Next. The king and the wazir rolled a big stone over the pit. We will make question using the word who. Who rolled the big stone over the pit? Put question mark. Next. One man drove his cart round the left side of the road. We will make question using the word how. Okay? How did the first man pass from the road? Okay? Put question mark. And the last one. All those who passed by were so lazy that they did not push the stone away. Using the word why, we will make question. Why did the people pass by without pushing the stone? Put question mark. Okay? Now, we will do the next exercise. Exercise number 2. Okay? Choose the correct word for each sentence from the words in brackets. So, in brackets, there are 2 words and we have to choose the correct word for the sentence. Right? Starting with the exercise. A. We went in a boat. We went in a boat on the bank of the river. Okay? So underline on. Next. B. When the king went out in his coach, he saw the stones and rubbish on the road. So underline coach. C. Before going into the temple, the people had to remove their shoes, right? Remove means to take away. So underline remove. The mother bird will mourn if the baby birds are taken away from the nest. What do you mean by mourn, children? Yes, moan is a low sound made by a person or a living being expressing physical or mental suffering. So, the bird will moan if the baby birds are taken away. E. The new ship was sailing in the sun. Okay, sailing is the art of navigation. Okay. F. There were many stones lying in the middle of the road. Underline lying. Okay. So, today we did exercise 1 and exercise 2. Do these works neatly in your notebook, right? See you in the next class, children. Bye bye, children.